Good morning, we're so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoy this video, make sure you come back. I wanted to show you this building. This is the kind of building I want to own one day. Beautiful stonework, 3-flat, classic 3-flat in Chicago. You can see this whole block is covered in, well, there's houses over there, but there's more 3-flats over there. 3-flats, old and new, right off Western Avenue. Such character, love it. All right, big news, I'm shaving today. This is probably the longest my facial hair has ever been in my entire life. Everyone tells me I should try to grow it out, but I'm scared because it's all patchy and I don't think it's gonna come in. But it is 9:30. Sarah did some work, she edited the vlog. I am working today, but I'm on my lunch. And it is now the beginning of the end. I did the dishes, we packed up. I'm going to get the car so we can bring it around to the front, so we can load it and get on over to Sue's, because we're spending the night there and I'm gonna finish working from there. So in 24 hours, less than 24 hours, we'll be on the road. We're gonna get up early, I'm thinking 5 or 6, to hop on the road tomorrow morning to drive back. And Jenna and Bill are in our apartment. They're going to Disney Springs and a Magic game tonight. It's so weird that they are there and we are here. It's so weird. You excited? So you can tell something's going on because everything's packed up and moved and everything. I think overall, I'd say 80%, 75% better than last year's Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
I think it costs just about the same.
Yeah, I do. Like, I wish we could have spent more relaxing time here, because I feel like when we were here, we were like working, super tired.
Not sleeping.
I didn't feel good. We never really, because we didn't vlog, or we didn't have a vlog Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. We didn't show that, like, I got really sick all of a sudden. I'm like already feeling better, but like it was kind of like we were here when we needed to just like get stuff done.
Yeah, and it's not. It's
down. Lauren was here,
right,
so
and it's downtown, but it's not downtown. Like it's in Ukrainian Village, Wicker Park, but it's not like near skyscrapers. Oh gosh.
Right, it wasn't like our other one. It was like every night when we came home, we were on Michigan Avenue.
Right.
But the space was way better, and I think that was more important.
And parking, I didn't get a single parking ticket. Well, I mean, the car's still in a no parking zone right now, in front of a fire hydrant while we get the computer set.
Yeah.
So, but we're almost there. Almost making it without a single parking ticket.
Wait until we're in Florida to see if no speeding. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Grant does that to her. Violet's reading Evie a book. Jingle, jingle, little reindeer. They've been playing so good. I gotta capture Violet, like, trying to get her to kiss her. Throws the book. Good job. Can you give her kisses, Evie? There you go.
All right, I got a semi set up here in the basement. This is a little area tonight. I think I'm gonna blow up this air mattress in a minute, but I'm also doing work over here. But I wanted to give Sarah a break and start to get Eve acclimated down here because this is where we're sleeping tonight. But I also wanted to make a little barrier so she couldn't get into anything she's not supposed to. So I'll watch her as she sniffs around and gets some water and food. P.S. Is this not the greatest snow globe of all time? The battery must be kaput, but there's a light here, and it's Mickey throughout the ages. Sarah and I bought that for her mom and dad years ago when I used to work at the Disney store, and it is to this day my favorite snow globe. It's not even mine.
We'll see you in 20 minutes after we dance the entirety of Fantasmic. Are you ready?
And experience Fantasmic. A journey beyond wild.
I hold you.
Not as individual things for now.
think for sure the first day. Hey, sister. You just relaxing? Hopefully she'll take a nap soon. But she's been so good with Vivi. Evie. She's had this sweater for a long time. It's probably time that we get her a new one. It's just so cute. Do you want to go outside? Want to go outside? Yeah? Let's go.
The traveling has finally gotten to Eve. Also has gotten to Santa too.
I'm trying to figure out the right time to sneak upstairs. What'd you say?
Das.
You want to wear your dress?
Das. Anana. Das.
Anna dress.
Anana. Das.
Who is it? Are you giving her food? Yeah? What's up, Beavers? Are you making a mess over there? Is that a mess? A couple? I think she's full. Thank you. I think she's full. She's not hungry. Thank you for being so nice, though.
This baby was extra fussy. Put him in the position that he was in the womb.
And you're golden. He's a wetzel pretzel. Don't mind the nutcracker on the floor. Violet brought it over to open her orange. You got a strange kid.
I got a wetzel pretzel.
2020, and so we have a different.
Oh,
we have a different
Vivi.
marketplace for 2020. But
You got
I don't know
monies?
if we need access.
Wait a minute, what's going on here, Sarah?
When you got two little ones that need your attention, you just carry them both around, right?
I know your whispers, but you wish you'd go away. Oh. Into
All right, air mattress is full. Is it comfortable, Violet?
Is it comfy cozy? Oh gosh.
There you go, that's the way to do it. This is where we're sleeping tonight. We got Eve, we'll have her kind of marked off, and she'll probably sleep on here with us.
Do we have her bed?
It's out in the car, I can get it before the night's over.
Okay. One.
You are a weird little child. Right?
Are you Goofy Gills?
Yeah.
What are you doing up there, Vivi? Are you cooking with Mama? Yeah? What are we making? We're making Mama for dinner.
That tastes really good. Nice and plump. No, it's potato.
Yeah, we're gonna fry up some veggies and make it all curry fried.
That's actually better. We curry fried too.
Mm-hmm. We did salt, pepper, garlic. We got some carrots, some peppers, some bigger carrots, some potatoes, mushrooms. Anything else we can throw in there? Do we want to put it cauliflower? I did not do onions. Okay.
Look at the chef of the night.
Me and Christina tag teamed it.
Yeah.
She did all the spices. I'll have to get some of that info. We also added beans and cauliflower.
Love it, it looks so good.
We have rice
Ooh,
going too.
delicious.
Let's see if there's stuff to make some sort of salad.
Okay. Who does this dog think she is? She just needed a break from being held, so I brought her outside, and she just plopped herself in the street. Just resting, cooling off.
Did you already show the game?
Yeah.
The boys are playing a card game. My cousin Matt's here. And Evie's on a blanket on the couch and she's gonna fall asleep. She's so sleepy. And our movie of choice.
Alright, Sarah tried doing a surprise with Grant, but it got ruined because Grant called. Wait until you see this. We got, what is this? Did you get me food too?
No, those are my chicken nuggets.
Dude, there's really good curry. If you're not gonna eat it, I'm gonna eat a lot of it.
Probably not gonna eat it. I got 20 chicken nuggets.
And how many Cokes did you just buy?
6. And I got a
Nice.
large fry that I ate on.
Nice. Well, we already played primary, so we're not playing with you.
Shut up.
I'm just joking. Me and Matt have been playing card games.
We got our Cokes. I literally texted Grant about this 3 hours ago to bring home everybody large Cokes for our last evening tryst surprise. So because I felt icky sicky, I haven't been able to hold Luca. Let's just give an appreciation for his little sweetness, right?
7 buying power. On the +1 card, +2 action. Routinho Mora da Silva, Ronaldinho Gaucho.
That's his full name.
Yeah.
He says, "Don't say goodbye."
He says bye. Bye-bye.
You better not. He's gonna grow a ton the next time we're here. Gosh. Bye. Sleep tight. Don't be awake when we wake up
And
tomorrow.
he's gonna be as big as Violet was at Disney. Like, they're gonna be the same age when we
I
go
know.
in the summer.
That's crazy.
He's gonna ride Dumbo.
Set my alarm. Actually, I have 1% battery. I think I need to get a charger.
Eve's already basically asleep.
Sleep.
Exhausted. Alright. Last night in Chicago.
We're waking up super early to get on the road so we can get home on Sunday.
At a decent time.
So that it feel like, so we have Sunday to recuperate. News just in. I'm having my procedure on Monday. My HSG, another dye test. Last checkbox before we do another frozen embryo transfer.
Yeah, so after we do this on Monday, we'll know that day that everything's good.
Yes.
And we can start planning the transfer.
Yes. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.